Good morning class. I hope all of you are well. In today's recap module, we are going to discuss the exercise question of chapter 8. So let us start. So in the last class we read the story Lucy walks into a wardrobe. So let us discuss the exercise question. So come to page number 88. There we have adjectives. Now children, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words. They describe any noun or a pronoun. Okay, so some of the adjectives are formed by adding suffix to it. Okay, suffix means a letter or a group of letters which are added after a word. Okay, so that is known as suffix. So here you can see, but instead of feeling the hard smooth wood of the floor of the wardrobe, she felt something soft and powdery and extremely cold. So here the word powdery. Okay, so you can find y is there. It is formed from the word powder. So this y is what? It is a suffix which is added to the word powder to change it into adjective. Okay. Now some adjectives can be formed from nouns. So this powder is what? It is a noun. Look at the table to understand different types of suffixes which when added to the noun make adjectives. However, sometimes in the process we have to delete one or the more letters from the end of the noun. Like you see children, disastrous, disaster is a noun. Okay, when we add ous suffix to it, so it becomes disastrous. So here what do we notice? That this e is removed from this part. Okay, and ous is added. So this is what is written. Okay, sometimes in changing noun from to adjective by adding suffixes, we may have to delete some letters, one or more letters from the end of the word. Okay, now next page we have an exercise related to it which we have already discussed in the class. So let us discuss now how to change a positive sentence into negative. We change a positive sentence into negative by adding not after the helping verb like is, am, are, was, were and do. So what we do, we add not after it, after these helping verbs to change it in negative sentence. Okay, and when a sentence is interrogative, means a question sentence, so we add not between verb and subject. So not is added between the verb and subject, like are they sincere kids? So you will add so here it will be aren't. So it will be aren't they sincere kids? Is it okay children? Now the next, when we change a simple present tense into negative, a simple present tense sentence into negative. We add do or does not to the sentence to change it to negative. Okay, now if the verb, like you see, I like to travel every day, so we will write I do not like to travel every day. If it is like, so it will change into do not like. If it is, sorry, If it is likes, so it will be does not like in negative. Okay, so this was about the simple present tense. So if it is Lucy speaks English very fluently, so when you change in negative, it will be Lucy does not speak English very fluently. Okay, children. Now, when do we change simple past sentence into negative? So simple past, what do we add? We add did not plus verb. Okay, to make it in negative. Like if it is Mohit played in the school team yesterday, so it will be Mohit did not play in the school team yesterday. So the played will change into did not play. Okay, children. So this is what we read in the chapter 8 exercise question. Now let us move to the grammar. So let us read chapter 11, pronouns. Okay, now what is pronoun? A word which is used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Okay, a word used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Okay, for example, you can say I, me, you, etc. Okay, now in pronoun also we have different types. So we will read 4 types of pronoun in this chapter. So what are they? Personal pronoun, then demonstrative pronoun, then possessive pronoun, and then interrogative pronoun. Right, you can see. Now what is personal pronoun, children? So those pronoun which stands for the names of any person or thing, that is called a personal pronoun. Like I, me, you, he, she, it, that is called personal pronoun. Okay, now in personal pronoun we have the subject pronoun and the object pronoun. Now what is subject pronoun? So those personal pronouns which act as a subject of the sentence. Okay, subject means about whom it is said in the sentence. Okay, the person or thing about whom it is said in the sentence. And the object pronoun is those pronouns which act as an object in the sentence. Okay, so here object pronoun, so the subject pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These are the subject pronouns. Okay, now the object pronouns are, for I we have me, for me we have us, for you it is same, you, for he it is him, for she it is her, for it is it only, and for they it is them. This you can find in the table that is given on page number 51. Okay, the subject pronoun and the object pronoun, very important to understand. Now see, the same thing is written here. For personal pronouns like I, we, you, he, him, it and they usually act as the subject in the sentence. They are called subject pronouns. And personal pronouns like me, us, you, her, him, it and them come in the place of an object in a sentence. So they are called as object pronoun. Okay. Now the example, see, Komal is unwell. She did not come to the school today. So here this pronoun she is used for the subject word, that is Komal. So she is what? It is a subject pronoun. Now Radhika is a good girl. Everyone likes her. So the liking action is done for Radhika. So the action is received by the Radhika. So this her is a pronoun which is used for Radhika. So this her is what? It is an object pronoun. So this is about, children, personal pronoun. Now demonstrative pronoun, which is used to point out any noun. So this, these, that and those, they are what? Demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these and those. So this is used for a singular and this is used for plural. Demonstrative pronoun. These four are the demonstrative pronouns. Okay. Means they are used to point out in the noun. Okay. So this and these, they are used to point out anything which is near place. Okay. And that and those is used to point out anything which is further away. The same thing is written here. See page number 52. The pronouns this, that, these and those are called demonstrative pronouns because they point to particular nouns. Okay. Now we use this and that for singular nouns. I wrote for singular nouns we use this and that, and for plural we use these and those. So this and these is used to indicate the object that are close by, and that and those are used to refer to the object that are far away. For example, this is an oak tree and that is a mango tree. These are oak trees and those are mango trees. Okay, children. Now on the next page we have an exercise question related to demonstrative pronouns which we have discussed in the class. Now next comes the possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns are those which are used to show the possession or the belonging. That means the something belonging to someone. Possessive pronoun that shows possession. So for example, for possessive pronouns are for first person it is singular is mine, for I, and for plural it is ours. For second person it is yours. For third person singular it is his and hers. And for third person plural it is theirs. So these are the possessive pronouns. You can see the possessive pronouns here in this table which is given on page number 53. So like we say, this book is yours. So this yours pronoun shows the possession of book, that this book belongs to you. That one is mine. This pen is hers, that is his. Okay, children? So this is what is possessive pronoun. And the last kind of pronoun is interrogative pronoun, means those pronouns which ask question. Interrogative pronouns that are used to ask questions. Like, which is your favorite film? Okay, what is your name? So this which, what, who, okay, so where, so these are what? These are the interrogative pronouns. Okay, so the exercise questions C, D and E we have already discussed in the class. So this is the thing we are going to read in this chapter pronoun. So as a homework, children, please revise the thing, revise the chapter pronoun, and we will read the next chapter in the next recap module. Till then, thank you.